today I'm going to show you how to change your GoDaddy name servers. So we're at GoDaddy.com. I'll link to that down below in the description. And you want to click on your name up in the top right-hand corner of your screen once you're logged in. So go ahead and click on your name, and you want to click on My Products under Account. And once that loads here, you're going to want to go ahead and select the domain that you want to work with here. So I'm just going to select this one, and just as an example. And over here on the left-hand side of the screen now, under your domain, you want to click on Domain right here. And we'll click on that. And once this pops up, we're going to click on Manage DNS here in the middle, this little button that says Manage DNS. Now, once this loads, this is all your DNS settings. We're going to go ahead and click on Name Servers right here in this little tab. So click on Name Servers, and here's where we can change our name servers in GoDaddy. So here's what your current name servers are. I just have them set to the default, and just click on this button here. It says Change Name Servers, and I'll click on this button here. It says I'll use my own name servers here, this little radio button. And here we would put in our own name servers, such as NS2 or NS1, and then you would put your domain, and same goes for the NS2. And if you have any more, you can click on this button here that says Add Name Server, and you can create more name servers if you want. So, and then you just hit Save at the bottom. Let me go ahead. And you could delete these if you push this too many times. And you would just hit Save here. I'm not going to do that here because I don't want to actually save it. I'm just doing this as an example for you. Once you hit Save, it's going to go ahead and save your changes. It could take up to 48 hours for this to take effect. Now, it usually happens within an hour, but in some rare circumstances, it could take up to 48 hours for your domain names to propagate. So just keep checking wherever you pointed these name servers to see if you have access to your domain there. I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, please click on the subscribe button down below. Also, please click on like below. So thank you for watching this video until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.